watching this video, it means you have seen that old vintage look photos on Instagram or any other social media app. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to achieve that looks on your mobile phone using these two apps. What's up everyone, we are back from location. We got some beautiful sunset photos, but due to bad weather I could not film outside. We got some beautiful sunset photos and we are going to edit them in this video. Here are the photos that we got yesterday, and today we are going to edit them and give them a old vintage look. Stay till the end of this video and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel to don't miss any future tips. The first app that we are going to use is called Snapseed. Snapseed is a free photo editing software from Google, which you can download it from Google Play. After installing this Snapseed app, share your photo with Snapseed. Here is in my first software. In the Snapseed app, when you open it, it has two tabs. First one is Looks and the second one is Tools. In the Looks tab, you have some free ready edits which you can apply to your photos right away and you are good to go. For example, pop, accentuate, faded, glow. You can use these looks to your photo and you're done if you're good to it. The second tab is called Tools. We are going to use the Tools tab. In the Tools tab, there are lots of options which you can use and try it by yourself. For achieving the old vintage look that I have said in the beginning of this video, in the fourth row there is an effect called Vintage. Tap on it and you can choose from different looks in here. Select all of them, see which one you like. For this photo, there's the sixth look looks good, so we select it. If you don't like any aspect of effect, tap on the screen and swipe down and up, then you will open the adjustments. For the first one, brightness, adjust the brightness of the effect. Saturation, adjust the saturation, intensity of each colors on the photo, and the style strength is the intensity, overall intensity of the vintage preset that we have applied. So for this one, the strength is around 33, then okay. The second effect that we are going to use is called grainy film. This effect adds film-like grain in your photos. Again, it has some preset effect which you can choose from. Choose the one you like, and by tapping and swiping up and down, you can change the intensity, grain level, and strength of the style. So for this photo, we'll go around 23. Then again, the next effect that we are going to use is called grunge. By using this effect, we give our photo grungy and old photo style. So tap on it. Again, it has lots of different styles. You can see here from the styles section, you can select from a wide range of styles, choose whatever you like. And also in the left corner, it has a random button which select the random style. You can use this also. As for this photo, we will use this style, and also you can change the grunge style of the photo. Tap in this button and select from these grunge styles whatever you like. This fourth one is okay. This is the before and this is the after of the photo, but the intensity of the vintage style is too much. In order to decrease the intensity of the vintage style, go to this arrow button, top corner, view edits, and tap on the grunge edit. In this tab, you can see all the edits that you have made to this photo. You can change and edit it after applying. Also, choose the brush option, decrease the brush intensity to 25, and then brush on the photo. Now you have the style with the intensity of 25. Tap OK when you are satisfied with the edits, and here is our photo ready for uploading to Instagram or any other social media app. So here is the before, here is the after of the photo. Our second application is called Afterlight. You can download the application using Google Play or App Store in your mobile phones. After downloading the application, open your photo and Afterlight application. When you open your photo, you will get this message. Tap on use. Your photo is open now. Afterlight application is very simple and straightforward app. You can figure it out by yourself. Just mess around with the sliders and you will understand what they do and how to use them. So for this photo, go to the film strip, second one from the right, and then dusty. Those are the effects that add dust and grain in your photo. Choose one of them, whichever you like, and then for this photo we will use the 9th one. At the bottom there's a slider. You can change the intensity of the dust effect according to your image or according to the look that you are going for. So for this photo we will keep it at 100. Tap OK. Effect is applied now. In this tab there are two more effects. The first one is light leak. Again, you can check them out by yourself. It is very easy and straightforward and you'll figure it out. Choose whatever look good in your photo, and it has intensity slider also. You can change the intensity of the effects. Here's our photo. We are done with our photo, and then click done, upload it with Max, and save and share to gallery. That was it, and here is the before and after of the photos. It was very easy and straightforward. Using these two applications, you can edit your photos more professionally, and you can achieve more looks by using these two applications. Try these two applications and mess around with them, mess around with the sliders and the effects. You and your photos will get better and better, and you will get better with editing your photos. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you got something out of this video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.